Okay, I think we are recording. So, so let me tell you about how I converted MTech to PhD program at IISc Bangalore. I'm actually doing PhD in CeNSE, which is Center for Nanoscience and Engineering, which is known as Asia's best nanotechnology lab. Okay, so those of you who don't know me about me, I'm Mohammed Sajir, doing my, as I said, I'm doing my PhD in CeNSE, PhD at IISc Bangalore. I actually converted my MTech to PhD program at CeNSE. So I will tell you how what is the process, and as a lot of you have reached me about this question, and I find it difficult to answer the same to each one of you. I thought I will just make a video and post it on YouTube so that you guys can watch it and you can understand. So if you want to convert your MTech to PhD program at CeNSE, so before that, if you want to get admission for MTech program, you need a good gate score, you need a good gate rank. Mine was in gate was in physics, and after gate you'll have an interview for admission, and if you cleared it, you can get MTech admission at CeNSE. So if you want to convert it, so after 1 year, I mean after your second semester of MTech, you should have minimum 8 CGPA, which is a little difficult to get in IISc, I guess, and which is minimum 8 CGPA. Then other thing is a professor should agree to take you. A professor should agree to take you, and you need a minimum credits. Usually the minimum credit is I think 24 or 28. I think 24 credit. So if you had 24 credit and 8 CGPA, and if a professor is okay to take you, for that we had to talk with the professor and agree on a specific topic, and he should be find that you are good enough to pursue PhD at IISc and all. So if all this happens, you can raise a request for MTech to PhD conversion. So during your 1 year of MTech, you'll be getting 12,400 rupees as stipend. So after your conversion, you'll be getting 31,000. It is important to note that if you are converting student, even though if you have a JRF or CSIRNet JRF, you can get activate the JRF fellowship. You can only get the Indian fellowship, which is 31K, which is equally same for JRF, but the conditions will not be there. And the good thing about the GATE fellowship or the Indian fellowship is like it will be continuous. Like every month you will get the credit. I mean, your account will be debited with this amount. But if you are going for CSI JRF, like they are very irregular and there are a lot of problems associated with it. Okay, so as I said, we are convert after second semester. If you have 8 CGPA, then you can convert to PhD program. Then for that, for the process will be like, then when you raise a request, you'll have a interview uh, with a few professors in the in the department, and they should approve your request, and after that it will go to higher authorities, and they in the meeting they will approve it so that you will become a official PhD student. The bad thing is the worst thing is like, since you are converting, like for example, I joined for MTech in 2020. Okay, after finishing my MSc, I joined for 2020. Then I converted in 2021 after 1 year. So even then when you convert, this 1 year you have spent for MTech will be considered as part of your PhD. So if your PhD is for 5 years, so this 1 year you spend for your MTech will be part of your that 5 year. So the good thing is like for the 1 year you will get the fellowship. For example, you should get 31K per month, right? For MTech you are getting only 12,400. So the remaining amount 31K minus 12,400 will be credited to your account, and that's how it goes. And of course you'll have a comprehensive examination after 2 years, and the same as any other PhD student. So this is the process of converting MTech to PhD program at IISc. And regarding CeNSE, it is one of the best institute in the country. I mean, not best department in the country. And in CeNSE, if you are a nanotechnology enthusiast, like you got every instrument. I mean, from characterization or anything. If you want to do anything nanotechnology, there's an instrument for that in CeNSE. So it is known as Asia's best nanotechnology lab. And we have a clean room facility, and we have a incubator, startup incubator, nanotechnology incubator. We have industry affiliate programs, like a lot of programs, and a lot of things are there in CeNSE. So that's it. I think it is now it is clear to you how to convert MTech to PhD. And if you have any comments, let me know. If you have any doubts, let me know in comments. I will answer to that. That's it.